How to fix Huawei Nova 13 always on display not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then turn off your do not disturb. For turning off your do not disturb, then swipe down to your control center. And here you can see the option do not disturb. Then turn it off. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, then open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, on top you can see the option software update. Click on it. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and open reset. And then click on reset all settings. And then again click on reset all settings. After reset the all settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.